Imagine New York City, Las Vegas, and San Francisco all wrapped up into one city. Imagine a city where the economy is booming and prostitution is legalized, homosexuality is normalized, and just about every other form of sexual sin is commonplace. Imagine a city where idol worship is rampant. Now I want you to imagine a church located in that city where people of this church are creating divisions and causing discord. A place where Christians are suing other Christians. A place where Christians are divorcing their spouses for any reason at all. A place where Christians are confused about spiritual gifts such as tongues and prophecy. A place where incestuous relationships are not only allowed but encouraged. A place where love is not existent. This is the church of Corinth. This is a church gone wild. This is the wildest church ever.